Jesus is in the region of Gennesaret. We have learned in verse 1, this is verse 2 of chapter 15, Gospel of Matthew. Jesus is being approached here critically by the religious brass that have come from Jerusalem. And so the question is being put to him. Of course, the whole purpose of this is try to embarrass Jesus because he's failing to enforce the elaborate and somewhat meticulous traditions that have come down from what are called the elders. These are a body of sort of commentaries that took on high authority, eventually formulated into the Talmud. Now it simply comes in various strands known as the tradition. So the question is put to him, dia, on account of, with the interrogative pronoun here, what or why. Here it's going to be on account of why, or account of what, either one. It's just the way of formulating this question, why. Hoi mathetai, the disciples of you, singular, genitive. Why the disciples of you, parabainusen. This is from parabino. Para means alongside. So literally it's to go alongside of. And that suggests departing from and violating. So why do your disciples go alongside of? This is third person plural, present active indicative. Why do they go alongside? Attain paradosin. This is from the verb paradidomi. To deliver over, to hand over. It's the noun form of this, which means that which has been handed over or delivered down. Normally translated as the tradition. So why do the disciples of you go alongside of, that is, violate or depart from or ignore, really the tradition, singular, tone, presbyteron, of the elders. Of course, the word Presbyterian comes from this, an elder-oriented form of church government, derived from this Greek word, presbyteron, the elders. Why do your disciples basically disregard the tradition of the elders? U, this is the negation, gar, postpositive, for not nippontai, from nipto, means to wash. The middle voice here, third person plural, present middle indicative, means washing themselves, in this case more precisely, washing tos kairos, the hands. Some manuscripts include auton, of them, their hands. So why do they not wash their hands? Hotan, when or whenever. The on at the end will typically point to the subjunctive. It's kind of condensed from the word an, if, which takes the subjunctive. So when or whenever. Arton in the accusative singular, bread. Estheosen, third person plural, present active subjunctive, when they eat bread, whenever they eat bread. So it's one of those picayune rules that the religious elite were enforcing and indicating that unless you kept these rules with precision, that you were departing from the tradition, and thereby, of course, making yourself part of that class of people they commonly call sinners, people who had despaired, really, of living lives of obedience, and they're expecting Jesus to be embarrassed by this question, as they put it to him here.